Hi guys, so today I thought I would take you through how I made this Animal Crossing Stitches patch cookie. This is from the game Animal Crossing Pocket Camp that can be played on the phone, both iPhone and Android. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, so today I thought I would take you through how I made this Stitches patch fortune cookie. And this is from the game Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. I am absolutely addicted to this game. And Stitches is one of my best friend's favorite characters. So I've made one of these for her in the past, and I have also made Rosie's cookie and Filbert's rocket cookie. And these are just made out of felt, and I made up a little pattern for the cookie. So for the pattern, I have one that's a full-size cookie that I used for the other two, but for this one, because it's in different colored segments, I kind of separated it. So this one is going to go with the pieces separated. You just put it together, and you can see that if you put all the fortune cookie pieces together, it gives you roughly the shape of the finished cookie. You do have to gather in this bit to make the pinched middle, like on here, right in here, but that's not that hard to do. So I am going to cut these out of the different colors of felt. This one is in orange, this one in hot pink, this one in a lime green, and this one, which I have upside down, oops, oh well, in light pink. So I am going to go cut all those out, and hopefully we will end up with a cookie that looks like that. Alright, so I have the felt cut out, and there are two of each, of the orange, the pink, the green, and this very light pink, almost a cream color. And then I have just this little tiny strip of white that will be the little bit of the fortune, like in Rosie's, that sticks out. So the next thing I am going to do is, I think I'm going to sew the oranges to the pink. See you soon. Okay, so I have the orange stitched to the hot pink, and as you can see, they are opposite, and that is so that when I stitch these two together and turn them right side out, the orange matches to the orange and the pink to the pink. So the next thing I'm going to do, according to my little picture here, is stitch the hot pink, so this bit, to the lime green. So I am just going to go get this stitched onto both of these, and I will be back when I am done with that. Talk to you later. Alright, so I've gotten the green attached to the hot pink, and the next step is to attach the lighter color of pink to the end of the green, and that will complete our fortune cookie shape. So I'm just going to do that to both of these, and I will be back. So the entire cookie is now stitched together as far as the different colors go. The next thing I need to do is I need to stitch these right side to right side, and I need to do that pretty much all the way around, except I'm going to leave a little gap, about an inch, maybe an inch and a half wide right here on the orange end of the pastry, I believe. Yes, the orange end. And that is going to turn into my opening area. So I'm just going to get that done, and then I will be right back. Right, so I have stitched all the way around, both the underside and the top parts. So that is stitched together, and there is about a 1-inch gap right here that will let me turn it inside out. So I am just going to turn it inside out now, and then I'm going to stuff it. So that's the next step, and I will be back when that is done. Okay, so I've turned it inside out, I have it stuffed, and I have pinned the opening area shut. It doesn't look the best right now, but once we get the fortune on, which will just be folded in half and stuck on about here where the opening is to help cover up that stitching, and then we add a bit of a tuck, and that pinches it together and gives it its classic fortune cookie shape. So I will be back once I have the opening stone closed, and then we will figure out how we position the fortune and where the talk is going to go. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so I've got the little bit stitched together. I have the fortune pinned on, and I'm going to stitch the fortune down and do the tuck in the middle here, which will be what makes it look like a proper fortune cookie. So it is a little bigger than the Filbert's Rocket cookie I did. Not by much, just a little bit. But that was my mistake from trying to get these different pieces to fit together correctly. So it might be a bit chunkier of a cookie, but that's alright. Stitches is a cute chunky bear. So we'll just make it look cute. Alright, I will be back when it is complete. We are done. I think this looks really cute. It is a bit of a chunky monkey in comparison to Rosie's cookie and in comparison to Filbert's Rocket cookie, but I actually kind of like it. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a patchwork because Stitches is all about that patchwork and Stitches line, and I think it really works. So I am so excited to have a third cookie to add to my collection. And I am really excited to try to make some more of these. So stay tuned because I have another Animal Crossing Pocket Camp project in the future. And that is going to be the little bag they give out as gifts. So looking forward to working on that one and to making more of these pretty little cookies in the future. I think it'd be a cool idea someday to be able to make one that could actually open up and have one of the things inside. But that is a project for another day. Alright, stay tuned for more Animal Crossing Pocket Camp adventures.